pharmaceutical regulations just got a major upgrade. Is your company ready? Hi, I am Ansha Khurana, Manager Regulatory Affairs at Clini Experts. We have been helping pharmaceutical and life sciences companies stay compliant and grow globally for over 15 years. And today's video is an important one. If you are a domestic manufacturer, an exporter, or a contract manufacturer, the revised Schedule M will impact how you operate. So stick around. Here are 3 key takeaways you will get by the end. First, what has changed in Schedule M and why it matters. Second, who needs to comply and by when. Third, how Clini Experts can help you transition with zero compliance gap. Let's get started. What is Schedule M? Schedule M is part of the Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945. It sets the rules for good manufacturing practices or GMP in India. It tells us how to build clean and safe facilities, how to manufacture medicines the right way, and how to ensure every product is high quality. But pharma is changing fast and our regulations needed to catch up. That's why the government introduced a major revision. Let's break it down. What's new in revised Schedule M? Here are the major updates. First, risk-based GMP. The focus has shifted from rigid rules to a risk-based approach in line with WHO guidelines. This gives you more flexibility, but it also means more responsibility. Second, stronger quality systems. More emphasis on documentation, deviation control, and investigations. A robust QMS is now a must. Third, clearer definitions. Words like batch, critical process, and manufacturing area are now clearly defined. And no more guessing. Fourth, facility upgrades, HVAC systems, purified water, air quality, all need to meet higher standards. Fifth, stability testing guidelines now match international expectations, so you can better predict shelf life and performance. Sixth, vendor qualification and traceability. Every material you use must be traceable. Every vendor must be qualified. These are not small tweaks. They are a full-scale update to how Indian pharma runs. Who needs to comply? This affects API manufacturers, finished dosage manufacturers, biologics companies, export units, contract manufacturing organizations. In short, if you make medicines in India or for India, this update is for you. Timelines for compliance? Here's the deadline. You have 5 to 6 months to comply, depending on your company's size and type. After that, CDSCO inspections will step up. So do not delay. The clock is ticking. Why was this needed? The pharma world is evolving. To stay competitive, India had to raise the bar. This update brings us closer to global standards, makes our manufacturing more reliable, and helps Indian companies grow worldwide. That's a win for the industry and for the patients. Challenges and industry reactions. Let's be honest, change is not easy. Small companies may face challenges in managing the financial demands and gaining the necessary technical expertise. Large companies are generally more ready and are already following global standards. But no matter your size, adjusting to these new rules can be overwhelming. And that's where Clini Experts comes in. We guide you through the entire process so you can focus on making quality medicine. What should companies do now? Here's your action plan. First, do a gap analysis. Find out where you stand. Second, train your teams. The new rules need everyone's understanding. Third, upgrade infrastructure, especially HVAC, water, and clean areas. Fourth, get your documentation in order. No shortcuts. Fifth, run internal audits. Find the issues before CDSCO does. Need help? Clini Expert provides regulatory supports that's practical, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Recap and call to action. Let's recap the 3 key takeaways. First, the revised Schedule M is a major change in India's GMP system, focusing on risk-based compliance. Second, All pharmaceutical manufacturers, big or small, including contract manufacturers, must comply within 5 to 6 months. Third, Clini Experts is here to guide your journey at every step of the revised Schedule M compliance. Need help with compliance? Reach out to us at Clini Experts. Like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe for more regulatory updates and drop your question in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay compliant. Bye bye.